How do you move things around in your digital planner? You do it with the Lasso tool, and let me show you how to use it. Now we have the Lasso tool, and the Lasso tool is basically the tool that you use to move things around within your documents. So let's say that I wanted to move this hello over here. I couldn't really do that with the pencil. There's no way for me to pick that up with a pencil. So what I would need to do is use my Lasso tool. And under your Lasso tool, you have a couple different options here. You have it where you can lasso like where you draw a circle, or you have it where it's a rectangle and you kind of just drag over to make a rectangle. Now the rectangle is my favorite way to do it. It just is a little bit like easier. It's just like one stroke and then you have your whatever you want lassoed, versus with the shape, you kind of have to actually draw the shape and it takes a little bit more time. And then you have the options here that you want to lasso. So this is where when you have these turned on, it's going to lasso any of these things that you pick up. So right now I have them all turned on: your handwriting, highlights, text box, images, shapes, and tapes. So that will lasso everything. If you only want to lasso certain things, then you want to turn these off. So if I didn't want to lasso my handwriting, when I went over top of this, it wouldn't let me pick up that handwriting. So if you want to lasso your handwriting, then you're going to need to have that option turned on to be able to lasso and move it around. This is something that you're going to use a lot with stickers. So if you went to a sticker file, and especially on like the pages that have the clip art, with your Lasso tool, you're just going to tap, and that is going to pick up that image, and then you can move it around if you wish. And then I'm going to copy this, and then we're going to go back to our planner, and we're going to long press with our finger. We're going to tap, and then we're going to tap to paste. And then with our Lasso tool, see our Lasso tool is still selected, we can move this around. Now, if I had images turned off and I lassoed this, it wouldn't pick up the sticker. It's only going to pick up the text because I have text or I have handwriting turned on, but images turned off. So that's how you use your Lasso tool and how you can move things around on your page.